This video will show you how to install your PCMU software and scanner onto your computer with your LC200 lock. The first step is the same if you're installing a PCMU or an audit trail program software onto your computer. Insert the CD into your CD-ROM drive. Once you've inserted your CD, you will see a folder pop up. I put mine on my desktop here so you can see what it looks like. You click on that folder. You'll see a bunch of files inside. You want to go to Setup EXE. You click on that, and these windows will pop up. And this is the install wizard. You'll see it says thumb lock management, the same as LC200. This gives you option to set who can use it and where you want the program to install. It takes a little while sometimes, but here you can see the progress bar. Right now it is installing program onto your PC. Small little program, so it won't take up much space. It's pretty quick and easy to use. Now it is installed on your computer. You'll see it should create a desktop icon. Put mine in the middle of the screen here so you can see it. So this is where you'll go from now on to use your scanner and to make adjustments to your lock. Now it's time to plug in your USB scanner into your PC. We'll set up using the LC200 for the first time. You go to your start menu, you can find it here or on your desktop. Either way you can launch. When you first use it, there'll be no super administrator or anything, so you just simply go to login. There's no password because it hasn't been set up yet. First thing to do is if you're using one or more LC200s, you need to set a lock name. Here are your different options like edit, and can't put in a new user yet because you haven't identified your lock. So we will do that next. Click on new lock. And you have a multitude of different numbers you can make it. We'll just keep it at number 1. You give your lock a name. Like for instance, we'll say it's on the server room. You can set its fingerprint sensitivity. 7 is the default. See, now you go down here and you can see there's our server room door lock. Now you see these icons open up. It allows you to add and delete and edit new users. I'll just go up here, add new user. We'll put in the name. It's nice too is you can put notes. So we'll say, who is John? We'll make him a server room tech. When you're setting up, every user gets their own 3-digit personal ID number. There's some that are designated for administrators and others for users. We'll make John 007 because who would want to be 007? And you can say add to all locks if you have multiple locks on the system. Now go to the cool part. You can establish a PIN number, a PIN access for each user if you want. We'll do that for John here. Make it 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And then this is the neat part. We're going to enroll fingerprints. Each user gets 3 scans of 3 separate fingers. You'll see these 3 different cells. You basically follow the instructions. You place finger on the scanner, on your little USB scanner. You'll see a fingerprint pop up. It'll say it's captured. Click on the next one. Put that same finger on there again. Repeat the process to the 3rd finger. And then you're going to confirm. What it's going to do is it's going to compare all 3 to make sure it has a good version, one good template of that particular finger. Follow the same process. You select a different finger. I always recommend that you put 1 or 2 fingers on your primary hand in the system and 1 finger on your non-dominant hand. If you're right-handed, use like your left index or thumb. That will, in case of paper cuts, blisters, cooking accidents, and so forth, you'll have a reserve finger on your left hand that you can use while your other fingers heal. So now you have John is completely established in the system, and then you see the different criteria. So now we'll add a new user. And this person will be Jill. We'll make her tech support. Just like John before, just get double 8 this time, because she gets her own different number. So add to all locks. So we'll decide not to give her a PIN number, and we'll just give her the enrollment of one finger. First one, second, third. So you don't necessarily have to put all 3. I mean, I'd recommend it, but you don't necessarily have to. So now you have John and Jill in the system, and you can continue this. The LC200 will hold 1,000 users. I would recommend the first time you do this, get as many people in. The information will be stored on the computer. It will not be lost. Once you have everybody in, you go to the export feature, and this will allow you to take the information from the PC and put it onto your lock. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at fingerprintdoorlocks.com, 513-239-6322, extension 320. We look forward to seeing you at fingerprintdoorlocks.com.